Hi guys, hope you guys are having a great day. So today is a special day because you guys are joining me for the biryani. So every time I want to have biryani, it's a special day. So I always try to find an excuse to have biryani. So we are going to Sarat Darbar restaurant in DIP2 in Dubai. So I've had biryani in the same restaurant 2 times, and it's so delicious and it's so yummy. And it's Sindhi Biryani. So this is the third time, and it's more special because you guys are coming with me into the restaurant, right? So let's go to the restaurant and find out, and I'll show you why this biryani is so delicious. I know this is not a famous restaurant on social media. There's so many restaurants for biryani in Dubai. There's thousands of restaurants, but this biryani tastes like home cooked food, like homemade biryani, and especially Sindhi Biryani is always close to me. So if you're in DIP2, definitely need to try this out, guys. So stay with me. We're gonna go to the restaurants together, and we're gonna have this yummy, delicious, lip-smacking biryani together. So see you there.
Sindhi biryani? Chicken Sindhi biryani. Okay.
Guys, so we are finally in the restaurant. We ordered one Sindhi biryani, chicken Sindhi biryani. Hey guys, long waited. Our biryani is here. Sindhi biryani is here. You can see the aloo pieces, and this is what I have been telling you guys. This is what I was waiting for. Today is going to be a great lunch. Let me dig into the biryani, and I'll show you what the biryani tastes like. Delicious Sindhi biryani from the plate. What makes this biryani so special is the fried chicken. You see, the chicken is 50% fried, and you have a slice of lemon and some big aloo piece in the biryani, right? And it's full of masala, guys. Trust me, this biryani is so delicious. Guys, the best part of this biryani is we have a lime, which is creating that extra flavor, a citric flavor. We got a big piece of aloo, and this chicken is deep fried, right? And this tastes delicious, guys. Trust me, it's really nice. It's really worth it coming all the way here. Wow. The spicy level of this biryani is not too spicy. It's about more than medium spicy. It's about 60 to 70% spicy. And definitely you don't need the gravy for this biryani. It has too much masala, and the masala has you can taste the green chili paste and nutmeg, mace, and also some fresh chili powder. Wow. This is a very good biryani, man. How can I put it? I don't have words. This is a ticket to the heaven. I mean, so good. The chicken is so good because the chicken, as you can see, chicken is a fried chicken. I have more pieces here. You see this? I have another leg piece, right? It's a deep fried chicken. Look at the aloo, right? It's all masala, right? Mix it with the masala rice. Get some of that fried chicken. Mix it well. You know, in a plate of biryani, you find at least 5 to 6 pieces of lemon, and that is, I think, creating more extra flavor to the biryani. Right? Look at this. Look at the masala. I told you there's a lot of masala here. Yeah, there's a lot of masala here. You don't need extra gravy. Wow, man. If you're in Dubai, in DIP2, right, you need to definitely try this out, guys. Right. The biryani is something that is always close to me, and I love all the types of biryani because it's unique. You know, biryani takes a lot of time and effort, and I think all the biryani tastes really good. But I have had biryani in Dubai in almost all the places, but this is, in my choice, this is number one. So I'm going to enjoy my plate of biryani, take the rest home. So if you're in DIP, definitely come and enjoy this wonderful, delicious meal. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe.